The U.S. is killing kids in Gaza and is paying for the bombs by kicking kids in the U.S. off Medicaid. This is what Jerry of Ben & Jerry's yelled out whilst being arrested for disrupting an RFK Jr. hearing this week. This is what all our representatives should be doing, disrupting the status quo until the blockade on Gaza is lifted and the genocide is finished. Stopped. However, when elected Democrats stand up for Palestine, the Israeli lobby via AIPAC and the Democratic Majority for Israel PAC steps in to back primary opponents. This PAC successfully ousted progressives Cori Bush and Jamal Bowman from this House. Our current Congressman, Josh Riley, has been endorsed by this same PAC. So we're here today to ask, is Josh Riley beholden to us, his constituents, or to the lobby of a foreign government? 61% of Americans want the U.S. to stop sending Israel weapons, including 77% of Democrats and nearly 40% of Republicans. The Democrats have long counted on our fear of Republicans being elected to keep us silent when they do not meet their campaign promises or ignore the wishes of their constituents. We are here today to say no more.
No more!
We're here today to demand that Josh Riley immediately intervene on the total blockade imposed on the Gaza Strip since March 2nd, the longest complete closure in the history of the 18-year blockade. We demand that he take a public stand demanding the lift of the complete blockade and calling for unrestricted entry of life-saving aid, including food, clean water, medicine, medical supplies, and all other necessities. We demand that he denounce the indiscriminate bombing of children and all civilians in Gaza. We demand that he publicly advocate for free press to enter the Gaza Strip. We demand for him to call for an immediate and permanent ceasefire. We call on Leah Webb and Kelles to not only do these things, but to pressure Josh Riley to do them also. Please join us in pressuring our politicians by signing our petition. You can scan a QR code over at this table, or you can fill out the written petition. It's time we show our elected officials that they should worry less about foreign PAC-backed candidates ousting them and should care more about people-backed candidates ousting them. Please help us hold them accountable by sharing and circulating this petition, and free Palestine.
Free Palestine!